for Makwaba, ye come say, and that one and some and commodity, and the say the beam, and tea, Monfashe Mutimusa. And I don't pay Yemian money munyam for, or modo more adage, munim dear, or munyansa, and ne dog modo my gun and tea. Ye from one pupu mutikra, abakaya home, our hase. Honorable Samuel, I pay. MP Nsroma constituency mi hu na che papa Honorable Kwaba Finsia Panso so aha na me da se ba me ka say last week ne last me Finsia Panso so ase jama say la ho ani bia be ka ho
say Finsia Pan de egu ma akopem end January ansa na
okay mate Honorable ni Amasan na mo le MP la dade kotopo Honorable Kwaba o boko de
oh bia boko awo nyese mi kanyo so
ka we visa say don kura no
osi bobo dia na ebe sha
me ka say me ba live
okay
I remember pa ebusa fo komo aye die 144 obetumi e de wadwe nkire aba na me fasa kwan so na me ankasa me nua Kofi Boateng na na dwabe hene ni dwabe man abo hene say ye fro na bibi ba Boateng odi kan china dwabe ho enya agrokra anti yegyina ba beta wachi e wo ho na no pen ona bomesha semfiri so kan ya asem de me hu se de besi aka no bi ya severe to blame I don't say that the EC for aka ho asem dada but bia we person be ka ho asem but political parties are happy about EC so what kind of story na Ghanaian Times last week na EC the betu bia earlier so person mote electoral reforms committee na 2012 nsense be bai omo hwe say de be reforms on betimi aya enkofa de bai no ensan emmabi na omo the committee na to dwa PNC for say ya mfre omo omo pa say omo ni representative what happened was that omo say MPP mumu ye no de ye nipa gira monam and they say other parties no omo say ye ni other parties bia ho na bi so omo nyina so say bi say bi omo ankra adwene say ka electoral commission ebiem na nka nipa no bebre ba ya nka enya na yesusu media for yesusu you become because you say stakeholders na nka if at least nka media person bi be wum because a bus here report ni ade but so far say na city amane sa no ebeti bibi afiri mu ana eno ne nkoba mpese di kan e de hyase yewi a na afi ya ba de aka no so nti electoral reforms committee a de atodware ni hu nkoba
yo tike me da se medical echia wati fu nyina na mechia menu anum se o ayinsia no
yo
ene Ghana fu nyina it through MPP ni na ado dan kwakufu ado enra me bie me WhatsApp no bi asane me ko to bia me de pa tike me se me no che o say work in silence and let your success do the noise.
Okay.
Say you don't hear you my ding number unkunu di mother huruma. So what about you ma sane bit ma chrasening go to be a manage ho pa obi na
work in silence and let your success do the noise. Okay. All right.
You be das bnia atami bia na me bi sesi nti da ben na oman Ghana na Africa in general yebetuma ye bribi senia nipa yerusua fi wonchen no woye no na wonso ngabo ensema amayen democracy no enye yen amamere democracy no enye no na yen nanom de fi ase de twa yen furuma e bribi ya beto akwanmu ne yesua na yensua no wonfamem yesua wo nipa bi a won aye bi won adi munkunim yerusua fi wonchen nti atebi ne ye ne na se ne ama no entwetwa nsisi na ensemba ho bebre na etube na bi se na se ye be ya yen fan toto won a won aye bi da no na won adi nkunim yen fan toto ho na yenye yentumi nkofa ne a woye no abrochi de pepepe ne yen fan mesi ha esan se yen environment no bia ya ye no yensu yen na nsakra kakra wo na so ne mani bi o ya yensua ne yen fan yen no ne ama mpo enu mo ye de bank be bo ankese minu ya ye wa pack political parties nyina ne electoral commission we share dinkita ho na mo pese mo form reform committee ansa kwa na mo ba bonten no e we say mo free attack meeting mo share na mo political parties ni nyina adwendwen ho na mo de mo trimopo etugua anka ne political parties nkai no ene ne media fo kan nyina mo ba hwe ni nyina consider ni nyina hwe se mod won ka ho ebe yo se mod won ka ho enye yo na adwene obi adwene akobankurum nti afa be ba bonten no na obi ani hu asem ka na aye fefefe eyampa se ye hwe abaya to 2012 ni ye hwe court nsɛmsɛm ɛbɛyɛ electoral commission aka sɛ gyetum Dr. Afrejan gina mu sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ yɛyɛ nsakra kakra wɔ yɛn hyehyɛ mu even atɔ yɛhwɛ yɛn saa yɛn pink sheets yi sɛ ne design ne ade nyina wɔn agyetum sɛ ɔsɛ yɛn
nsakra sɛ wɔn design foforɔ
ɛne sɛ conform mehu bi da mehu yɛ na nso megye di sɛ
yɛbɛbɔ mmɔden asɛ yɛbɛnya bi de abɛtɛ amanfo
sɛ wɔn design foforɔ so wɔn design foforɔ megye sɛ reform ni ɛbɛhwɛ saa nneɛma no nyinaa ka ho asɛm na me how ne sɛ sanka bra wɔba bɛyɛ reform yɛ ɛnya ma abɔnten ɛna wɔyɛ consultation with all stakeholders including the media and political parties in kind nyinaa ɛna wɔn nyinaa gye tom kokoa mu ɛna ɛba abɔnten gbɛn na asɛm bi ɛna wɔn ne abɔ yɛn nsɛm ama wɔn mpɛmpɛn no sɛ electoral commission kora wɔn nneɛma ba sɛ bi a yɛbɛto aba na wɔn nya resources bi na wɔpɛ so wɔkyɛ ma political parties na mpɛmpɛn political parties a wɔdi kan consider wɔn kan ɛyɛ political parties a wɔwɔ na musifo ɛwɔ parliament na yɛbisa sɛ PNC sɛ wɔwɔ obi wɔ parliament a anamusini wɔ parliament ɛwɔ hɔ sisi na
currently ɔmo obi
nti wɔn ni bi
so ɔmo ni
bi nti na mebisa sɛ ade nti na a party like PNC na yɛbɛfɔ nipa parties no nga fa adwene ɛde ayɛ form yɛn political parties na yɛn tumi anton sanfrɛ wɔn ti wɔn bra mmiri bi atwa mu na wɔn represent wɔ parliament nko ayɛ baanan na yɛn tumi anton sanfrɛ wɔn bi gye de sɛ ɛhɔ de atwa sin kakra meaning
but ɔmo fɛ CPP sɛ CPP wɔ
seat wɔ parliament
could it also be say bi a ɔmo hwɛ ne sɛ wo a wɔwɔ seat no
na wɔn frɛ wɔn nyinaa na ɛwɔ seat ɛwɔ parliament that's a yes party bi a wɔfrɛ
yes yes
wɔn wɔ seat wɔ parliament there be
say bi other parties no elect yes ni na minimum but
yeah we also wɔn yɛ criteria no ade ba konso no sanka wɔkyerɛ yɛn kwan a wɔfa so ɛde yiyi nipa no besi wɔn anan mu ɛwɔ yi na se aka mi yɛ sɛ nipa bɛka ho nsɛm bebree nanso si yɛnim PNC gyinae yɛnim PPP gyinae ɛwɔ Ghana yɛn amanyo nsɛm yi mu nti me mo de me electoral commission nya adwene papa e bia na wo hwɛ the size of the committee yɛn hwɛ sɛ media say mu ni rep bia ɛwɔ so ɛno so yɛ ade a be no wɔn nya adwene papa nti wɔnyɛ na mmom yɛn hwɛ sɛ betumi de reform no aba sɛ reform no ba na parties ni nyinaa gituma ɛbɛba abɔnten ne ahwɛ yɛhwɛ na sɛ di parties ni nyinaa gye hwɛ na de yɛ adwuma na no na bɛboa yɛn a megye di sɛ ɛbɛn no mo yɛn ka akyi na obetumi ama PNC ɛna PPP reps no nso akɔ so akɔboa eye sɛ wɔhwɛ na aka akyi nso ya wɔyɛ wɔma proposal no mmra abɔnten na yɛn a yɛn anya kwan meka media no PNC and other stakeholders Ghana Bar Association other situations are wɔn anya kwan anhwɛ mu no yɛn nyinaa yɛnhwɛ proposals no mu ansa na wɔma implement yɛntumi sɛ na yɛka yɛntumi nka sɛ all institutions nyinaa nya rep wɔ so na mo ne yɛka ne sɛ proposal bi a key stakeholders proposal no ba wɔn yɛnhwɛ yɛn nyinaa yɛnyɛ ntom ansa na ayɛ confirmed na electoral commission ɛso mu di ayɛ adwuma
for example mo ma Adekye for representation mo ma CDD minhu cordio
ɛna cordio nso ɛyɛ group bi a yɛto aba wɔwɔ every section of a grassroots cordio ɛyɛ very represented at the grassroots level baby a ebeko bi a wato aba akɔ rounds a baby a abehu cordio rep ho ntia me hu ase wɔn ato nsa ɛna me kan yɛsi yɛ di akyi nso abehu na committee na bɛ kakra nti ni ameme kan sɛ sɛ dia wɔn ntumi ato nsa mfiri bia no proposals ne ba wɔn member abɔnten ne yɛ nyinaa hwɛ bi ne yɛn pass comment ne yɛn discuss proposals no ansa na wɔn de ayɛ adwuma yɛn de saa de ayɛ bɛbɔ ayɛ nyinaa
ni
so miss Bechia on hwɛ yɛn ɛwɔ Ghana nyama no nyinaa misa so chia me dade kotopomfo sɛ de bia mo ta mechi misa so achia upper east for Apa is for.
They say also akofa.
Oh, say wanna be sure brasie. Wanna be sure
ba ko wie.
Nti me chia mu.
Umi ase ho na be kwa ko wie na.
Na ade ba ko a ewo mu ni say tike. On say ade bi koso a. Me no me hu say grand agenda to undermine the integrity of the electoral commission. You call elections. You see he ira ko to court man we see bibia abeto hono ema court catch electoral commission say on reform. That mandate was given to the electoral commission and the electoral commission alone. Electoral commission as of stakeholders no one able in seven. In the first place, no, IPAC and IPAC from friend IPAC, and you married the IPAC see one more
interparty,
and you maybe anta IPAC, maybe anta IPAC,
but Yabeya man is
na IPAC ewo hono election time do IPAC omu agree on nyama bebre so the electoral commission so be the IPAC for chair em say ka ban ka pay to Ghana han we say because we are now we so see we because I say acrimony or party no suspicion between parties no and that's one more electoral commission ka any reform wa friend ko for say mumma na yenye we say parties say we Ghana as recognized parties we register we Ghana say no ko fu parties na ho omu nyina ya mfrɛ yet to be from all political parties it yenya electoral commission on continue with its integrity yenya undermining the integrity of the electoral commission no wa frɛ on why so frɛ kodu am Kenya kodu no we ba CDD ba na kodu edu election time na CDD wa ti kodu no mo de ko ba bia de yesa monitor no nti yemfa kodu be shame yemfa CDD shame yemfa Adekye shame yemfa man shame yemfa ISO de shame yemfa send shame I'm saying we say eti bu electoral commission yen hu mi no mu nyom adwuma Ghana for yemfa homie electoral commission na the integrity of the adwuma wa yibo e Ghana asenya ma no nyina no ye maintain that integrity no o beto aba anase ye koto aba na unum say ofu say aba ye ka koto maybe I may not perform no then you are laying the ground floor to attack the electoral commission many on why was hadwe no enya twe it's a grand agenda ticket yeah politicians no yenim a politician madam be the kind let me give that quote to him even nutupo me na ye adwuma minister of agric or say a good politician ye obi a obetumi a kire wade a obeye in 5 years and in 10 years na se 10 years do a obetumi abe convince a kire ne ntia want to be anye what I say enti political party for no they are very intelligent enti otibu so election abaye ba betui papa ma
yeah muhu sa
out you can see it if you are losing you know if you are winning you know
as early as 2015
Madam, I'm telling you let me tell you something as at last year beginning of last year to the middle of last year no na Nsroma NDC you real November December no my confidence pick up what I'm saying
no say
shake my
2016
na shake my
because they when you hope
na shake my na so opposition bi a esenka MPP for no no what I'm saying anka betumi asset base na ma no they were not doing it
unuanom no ayepenum
minianom enti omo na bi ye be hihye mi say won be ye before November December enti omo tuma nya ye cross December no pepe ai we agina be so nkofo we are finished with them what I'm saying no enti ube lose a unim and abe winning so a unim dancing so a unim what I'm saying na nyina
mpese e be digress but see out we
enti
dice na say win and say
I have all the confidence say there's no way if you don't take we will cross the 55% mark I'm telling you
and now uni aso so no
so all what I'm saying is they should stop
they should
stop
October
you are not the host September October them pa na
niama mo nga say me no me ma
osi bibi o wasa mo ye mo anye wa
na mo so ya bibi o ha ya anye na mo ya na ama ho baba so nothing abekwa na me ama say
enti dem chere say mesre Ghana for oh electoral commission omo ya de papa the whole Africa no they are one of the leading organizations institutions are omo respect international community respect to on pa because omo yade won enti enya attacking the base of we say no attack sabi menua with Mr. Mikao media uko ede committee media no uko transfer report you are not part of the committee o tinche na ohwe
Debbie, you are getting it. Debbie, we are not talking about. We are.
What are you supposed to do?
Media,
entertain and educate.
Yes.
Inform, entertain and educate. Uko commission. You are not supposed to be there. You are fourth.
Only ni say yes so ye nam na ye hwehwe no.
You are fourth.
Ye nam na ye tete no. Yes so be ye hu bibia. You should say nka we dey
control paper no. Yem chance. Muno. Omo ko we say no. Ye invite me so. Oh press. Unye member o. Ba o we say observe bi a wo hwe bi enti bi e be koso bia no no wetimi atro no atro no yie the member of we say no ye wadwuma ne say wahu kohu beka wonam che ukohu a wo beka na wa me ya sakakra no wa ma ya dusua kakra
but
no ma nimdie
na mo le unim say ye report say eboa meboa na eboa pa
perfectly
eboa enso so beka ya 2012 mo ankasa party fu mu kohia ai say ye sa early voting yenyi media for no mfrim mo na mo kohia na mo bo sa adwen no enti edu point bi a na afi akoba ne say media for na say decide either say nipa no beto aba na onko cover ana say obekwa cover na wagya abato no say yenyi na yagitum for example say report na say eboayen a ebi kura ho mpokura security threats no ye report to say ya momo ko ya ye nka ho yi se bibi sa wo ho a sa adwen na hye memitim man kasa me na memra o hye obitim ana anya sa dete
tiki me no ya atwen say as a media for no na soja for ni security for no omo mu vote ansana the we say no omo ko boss apol say yeyi wo mfim no it was wrong but they make any say media for no say committee be na commission you are supposed to inform what is happening. You are not supposed to be a member.
And yet, okay.
Oh, madam, me imagine American. So don't take your nyansapono to me say beso nyansapo.
Okay.
Me nyansapo is different. Also nyansapo is different.
Okay. Yeah, but
me me dey make can say. Sa letter commission for dey we say media for no. Ehia on say kohwe beka. Enyam na America ko ka bi. Kohwe beka. O say beba say abroche a journalist or reporter be a bob no down mo crap and get a journalist crap no Ghana asia ka journalist so obema no so what am but although say my presence there is to see and report
inti Adekye for this for some dem ba can dey
oh me say Adekye for some there almost stakeholders in participation. Oh, my friend.
Okay, what do you have?
Oh, my God, no, the crowd.
You didn't come on.
Adekye for no. Almost CSO. One of them, almost stakeholders are. Yeah, almost your research. No, the idea atuja. Into almost research now. Almost research ageno. Ebebem. Into media ni jano na or share. Na or chocho. No, my mama so. We are quiet no. You call meeting. Say na CDD for na say we say agena. Nyansapom ko boy no say the coy what am I no that's what I'm talking about
okay
o de nyabotre
no insist but who say composition dey eno an no
me say munya electoral commission for
okay
no munya no djuma the electoral commission be bia ye benya bibia kan they are trying to undermine the integrity of the electoral commission.
Oh really?
That's how I see it. That is how I see it. Because the beer, because of Faja as a person, me, I'm not.
The easy baby.
The easy baby, no. Obeja bibiaka. Opa ma easy ne onka se ye biometric no say ye be to aba na unya to ye na register o say
obeja bibiaka.
What am I saying? So the whole thing is say no matter what they will
with time you go so be hear reforms and some be kan so mimsi benya kwan di ho ko person na o your reaction bia na but you say yentimi info bia me wura intino
America sa no me kan say no kware yentimi info bia enyo anytime case say one proposal as ba na one famra ne yenye discussions so na wo ga wanya kwan ana say yenyo yentimi nko sheddan mu nko discussions ne ahwemu bi but person be here clear to me say obi a metie Bernard Mona metie PPP ni nakasa obi na wa attack electoral commission ne wa kan ne say oh edi wo de yan kan ho a ankeye ndi se nka chi a won fe yan kan ho ne yan se ntena mu bi ni hu obi attack electoral commission ye your democracy ne ye
but mo obi attack electoral but when you are reporting it, you are doing it as if the electoral commission is bad. The electoral commission is not doing it well. The electoral commission has done everything wrong. The inference of what he said, no. Oh, maybe I say, you to me for be out, but they know some number the Cassandra.
Mouse to say, a minimum and Kaye, and the only answer said the honor, so yeah. And we are not going to picture be said, or no person capital picture be said, will be attacking electoral commission. Be electoral commission, you will be back on some. I'm saying, yes, I let it. A democracy near electoral commission take this in us, will be a wide in chat. I don't just say no being children arguing. So be children when I just saw the panel attack electoral commission. Or say media no report. Electoral commission, I want to ask a reform. Now reform ya picky pieces and no maybe a C elections electoral commissioner year 2008 2012 even the 2000 now ya contract no we say sad way ye na ko be kuma na say ko nifa ye nchire ngadwene na media no so be say one day wo anya no kwara sa media fo no kura one that police station be ko na media o it media no so media no so
inform educate and entertain
information
entertaining
that is what you are media. Yes, you are that is the okay. If you have information, report it. Information, report the information. People read. Give you information. Don't keep the information. Don't keep the information. So media no na what graph sige wo information na patrol so the media for the one here fra na what say you push out and go reform go back am bi so media for the one media for the one here fra one get push out for 5 minutes reform I say media for no so kind of sounds so na it's no patrol yes, I don't media to inform and to report. So look, we have the media. One grassroots, one men on the ground to gather information. One more facts. Okay. I won't see newspaper review the media personals area pass any other. Okay. It won't mean that media for the same after one work trans and also the other Tiki. They be a say. We are propaganda. You are deceiving your supporters because the truth will always destroy the propaganda that you do, and it will be too late for you to win. As I just saying. Oh, the way he's twisting. But the media do kweda wo ya so to report to media for you are not going to inform what is entertainment. That is what exactly what you are
just make that
our viewers are watching it.
Yes, so they will decide.
Our viewers omo share no omunim asema ni amasana mwale kan wankasi media phone ni adwen wankasi media phone ko school
na so wutumi kan
wankasi media phone nye wankasi media phone ni adwen wankasa aso kan
wutumi kan street but asema o kan sa na
no boy pay ye do ahome.
Let's move on to the next one.
Until there so one clear who I say now TK good morning MPP for adwen yo mo se omunim bibia na o say omo yesa de omo ye nyina so omunim se ombelusu nti no mo tiatia musa na na jesu hum no ya catch NDC for so omomwa MPP for no mo drop Mahama in 2016 Docas Kumasi NDC for more MPP for no mo drop Mahama I see 2016
for the interest of Ghana.
TK now ECG is now there be there me said you the mean to me Mami Rose but that dance man for mo afu pa na nanka yi o mo to be amani ECG for but me dem ho achem mesrem mo amanfo bebre complain say baby omo won be here 3 days 4 days I think say at least need ye kakra ba mu eye kane no mampo kura na bebo nipa na mane say oh we say ntino ye ntimi nso a megidi say na e better chance say wote ho wonim say be so ana say nso no e ade e ha adwen pa 144 no betimi do anyenchi aba anu boy pay Kofi Potofi. That's a 2 weeks in na mamfo ye munsano. Now omo kasa mas mo kan say civil servant, public servant they also a neutral. Enti no say oba be NDC chairman dey omsu say omfana ko nyanto. Ebinim susu say oh basa ko ye nim say Kofi Potofi o ye NDC ni da no ye nadmo penisa. Enti so be chairman and say she after all president or NDC and say she speaker of parliament or NDC or yenadwuma intino Kofi Potofi ko so tan na kunwa so a den pa na de beba no nko ba akofo yetu ya ni asa no so sa
but ansana be ko hor person be kan na duga say MPP for electoral commission e de kan reform committee no and MPP and complaining wo be bia say yen buafu
ono boy and
we are happy we are part.
Okay,
now yanko issue no so me party MPP constitution the chairman the general secretary the organizer and I think the youth organizer position specified blue a full-time work salary the secret among allowance at the end of the month. A full-time party work. General Secretary short office and sign put to activities. And I know very well, say NDC so there were 5 key positions, elected key positions here. I be crampa you 5 you know some appointed officers bika a full-time work. And at the same time the chairman of the NDC a full-time chairman of NDC some political party NDC no and we are then winning power and form government government now one form no every baby krempo na president be to kwan enye so to kwan akwa abrochiro Ghana ha baby krempo and who be here say party chairman be body chidom no wa hunia ne party na form government no eye na se wa ha no na be seeding ketia no nkrofo bi di president echi call Germany as a matter issue yi ba mu ni ade nyina
so we say the be ba
anything I can say we are party chairman and at the same time we are national coordinator. You see, you and your assistant coordinator and your board member be on the national coordinator of NADMO. Now who said president to Kwanyako baby even within the country on the party executives neko and was say party painful be a canon. Na ye de Potofi chairman also could be. And when I go here say we say what to kwanko outside the country. Oh, my party chairman could be a ye. Who be here say na party no and as a government need take decision be our office of the president. Position you take it what be long term and as a short term effect of my party political party chairman tremu be a ye. And we chino party no we 216 districts the what Ghana hen no NDC constituency 275 even yet my constituency level 275 constituencies what Ghana hen no NDC were offices all across the 275 constituencies. Party chairman bet me so like say na me person me tour eastern region and all the 33 constituencies in Ghana about somebody annoy say adwuma nyina no na NADMO office no na yeden na esi wa twen na disaster biaba I was see a take position. And I said, disaster we make constituencies on 2-3 different occasions. Amako, let me support of you. First 2 occasions, in the tone. First one, me call ape, and me the evidence, the application, disaster be actually no. Subway, and then so turn dance near the papai. Or mammy roofing sheets, we are quite a second one. Third one you see when you papa make office work 5 consecutive times because of some man called to Mr. Potofi national coordinator giving request to grab me regional office the constituency they call region the bar national no materials near my support near Sanka it is not your case say it takes the national officer to do some of these things.
But didn't know what's on Kwana or say just Unansana, they also will
every day, just office when they bet me answer because me believe it's a delegation of authority. Say we and they in charge of this, we in charge. But the question is, say we are national coordinator of NADMO. Na osan ye party adwuma the center yam fa conflict of interest amount for raising yam fa say your NDC near be no the materials to support your NDC campaign yam fa no go there anu your issues yes yam fa nto nchen
but no name for ya adwen
papa me say issues no
ntia me bisa sa ne
anytime say issues
most definitely obi a ye be yi no say be a coordinator no ebi a de be obenya NDC
say NDC buy sa na kan dia see to about Ghana ha NDC nya 5 million plus NDC nya LPP at 5 million plus. Civil servants in the ministries near that. So what to have any? But after the young class ought to have, but we be on the vote to go. Into yes, actually NDC LPP. I don't go be anywhere by your woman. No, Yaka NDC national chairman. You see, there should be that extension. See, because NSO be here and who did say president and the NDC national chairman. Obenya Kwanga Yenejuma as president and as NDC national chairman. You see, the framers of the constitution, people can say they are yet to see a point in the constitution that says, say, we are
party chairman.
You may not see that in the constitution, but there's also a clause in the constitution. May not be a testing officer or DVL. And now, me and my 7% me a politics, now me MPP primaries. I have to tender my resignation.
You resign.
Public service, yes. So that I become a full-time politician. Want to mean cost civil service and the salary from the consolidated fund. Now in Samba and Samba hold position as a member of parliament. And no many people who to me who and it's like a constitution here today in Mukuranqua. Quebec Kakatiki credit so and then many but and many people extension. And it's not judges no they use discretion in addition to the laws that have been prepared for
yes yes some or ye in a case
yeah choni na Bible cry enko wiase. One conflict of interest for we are all human beings. Make I say me papa or yeah retired educationist and not child when he first secondary school. Now what be fee no wa ek for marker. That kro marker yen send him ye pay. Or marker no now me grandfather so be what about to be no what abrofodin no aka hwema. Or marker no koto Samuel pay. But no say hey na ma akọ nche meeting nche no marker. O say hey said we should pay na nya common kra. Who to pay na?
Sa pay na if you him from.
You see if you bri Dina kasa yo opay. Na my great grandfather. Sata ma brofo no ba ku apem no. No no move into the day opay no. Na no yi only fees no me pay no no so accept no wa corrupt them. Be say me kura no can me ko register general na me ya. Na wo ya amendment since
sa be from is like be from.
Dina opay say you opay be a house.
Okay.
Omabo. Ne mami. So you be ya your friend will pay be.
Okay.
We are better man.
You pay no mind no pay no.
Pay no we never so na pay. Enti ohu di nipa no say hey pay ye trace na Sankregua senior high school. He said me na okoko kese wa Sankregua area mu ho. In terms of pay no to so no or we no de ne ba no to me na bofa na carry din na papa ye nipa. Me back opay
I ran no agu ne nsam ho.
We say we ye nipa. Enti ade ne bi ho a e ho say ye tiase say we are NADMO coordinator national NADMO coordinator na e beto aba materials in egu nana mo ale aba opahini what it in ya can say what be ye
be nyina wat yente say wa can say obey resign
na we an ka resign e say president ni take bold decision not
okay na mole amamfo kan Ghana ha de obehwa na either you either fail or we shall fail you as a son of a kwakwa you
me say na
adentina onu ankasa enkasa de
honorable opay kind say president take a bold decision you say president Tina I'll be highly disappointed
say president Tina
I'll be highly disappointed
but I no so
simple because hot air information no mu blow
why
no e kasi we say portfolio on resign no who na pay na resign fee event say DVL because DVL is this civil service
it's a public service
no is this civil service there is civil service and public service constitutional civil service kind constitutional on resign here civil service no resign me na be civil service so 1 month to elections no na me G leave Yeba me kako file me we say na me kako no and I resign.
Identity.
Because the constitution says civil servant. One gets a public servant too.
I did be why I said them from
GBC.
But what do I do?
No. That's a big mistake.
Sir.
That's a big ultimate contest. What we near? Fine. We got to resign. When we near, a journey bureau. When we near, you go back. When we near, you go back. Near a constitution that can't empire. By if I don't to change, you ain't capable to fast. Member of Parliament, it me a chairman of NDC. It is not like that. It's more from a constitution. And but to NDC for constitution. Yeah, constitution no allow. One I'm sure. But yeah,
best practices.
It has nothing to do with best practices.
On
your best practice is what is
not more coordinator.
Your best
NDC chairman.
Your best practice.
No.
Mami cho.
Obetimi aye bias.
Nipa bet be bias or bia bet my bias. Whether a chairman you chairman bet my bias.
And when it's so patent say the horse say we
no NDC ni mapa. Ama ye kaba ye two NDC at the scrap omo attack on the fear that dia ye ko chi no na ade nyina. We know all these things. But ono ope MPP ni assemble no okọ nadbo no. But to man roofing sheet or see 2 times ye man no. Oh, she said, who say, in fact politics. And yet, that's what to make apply only yes, because I apply and there's evidence from NDC coordinator says yes, there's been a disaster. That is NDC for you. When you come to me, I won't see whether you are NDC. I don't see you in colors. So far as what has happened is the person is a Ghanaian, and I say Ghana from watching. Go ahead and do it. But let me tell you something. Nyame kan nyina not wait for Ghanaian. Protofy is a Ghanaian. By default, he's now NDC chairman. And you just say unify because it doesn't conflict any laws of this country. No law of this country does it conflict.
Also on one convenience.
Oh my
chairman. Be a president he took away.
Oh, every day our 36 days, 36 working days, holiday, leave. You can take it at any time. It's a president can say, oh, you call Germany, and I call America, oh, I bet not 2 days leave, and 3 days leave, or only leave because Obia, you have to talk the whole way. About the leave, you are taught maybe many MCs, this is be our class. You have a call at the 20th. Ask for leave. Leave.
Normally, as party chairman, I was so talk constituencies. As NADMO boss, I was so talk districts. Many never come to me.
Almost party, we say almost time no couple. Former member of parliament. This is better talk Ghana.
Godfrey.
This is better talk Ghana. Honorable
one problem.
We have delegation.
I hope you are not suggesting
for all this, they are raising hot air because there are so many ways to do the job.
Almost so portfolio now.
Oh, sir. Mama Chow, I never could say. But to fail, or to be leave. A year party, it will be a person. Or yet, or delegate. Uncle for a year. Yes, sir. Those are disaster baby. Now, say, and I could not put for no near NDC chairman. But if I'm bound, but as I mean, and do because he said, and I never would capital. Not put from Crawford Jahono. Efficiency. Only in a Juma. What about I mean, Mr. Assembly. And my family, let me Mr. Assembly. And my member, ticket, the members before that. Before that, what can we are not. Mamma is a good but then Mr. say, Sabia arrangement city, and Quayas I say, not Bono, I Usha NDC 1 chairman, ANDC chairman.
chairman na nkasa ne vice NDC person.
So that's
party
branch of NDC. Branch of NDC.
They went and contested election. They were in NADMO. And you just saw it more NADMO. I want to contest election. They were in
NDC executive before they went to NADMO. Now, not part of the national vice chairman of NDC before he went to NADMO.
Okay, no more woman that.
And now, national women organization before he went to NADMO.
Catch on one or two.
Catch this for NP before say. And then here a con kakena. Con kakena. The Kuni Chinam Asem. Oh, Ghana, only here. The only $100 million went to NADMO. That's not okay. That is speculation. And that is for Ghana. That is speculation. Have you reported other organizations? You see the 2000 budget. That's not okay. EOCO have you reported? You are not a parliament. You see, move flow to. We are talking about propaganda. In the essence, move flow to propaganda. Now in the head, no, you are not able to prove it. No one will gossip at all. And because it's Sandiano and the MPP. Haruna Seku. Tell about chairman.
No, a party chairman.
Or a party chairman. As I bought chairman for Ghana Cylinder Manufacturing Company Limited.
Difference in him.
Difference them. Bought chairman there. Almost. I know chef or manager or chef.
Bought chairman and manager.
Nano into general secretary. By the same man Bangalo. Senya Juma be the man. By the same man Bangalo. Okochi. To Benny, we say, Kakro or Munana or the effort or the chick to bear. And then now, or into, or chick to bear. Oh, I want you to bear a parcel now, near chick to bear or Muna or Mutun or and yet, when and yet away be sit down. A yes, Papa, no, what all, Papa, Mammy, member of Parliament, Nukuni,
Sapon,
no, a day. So on your Pinimapa. Eti mamu ni executive they are not holding post of the national institutions. They are holding post.
But yes, Haruna Seku no chairman, no sanso a board.
You see, yes, chairman. There is no law. And you are board chairman. Madam, when I was in Huma, you are go to court. There is no law. We are a member of parliament. I was my board chairman, my board member. We are party.
Where has it been written? Where has it been written? What is the constitution? Every constitution is different from any constitution.
Board chairman
is different from any constitution.
No, board chairman. And you know which law has board chairman? At least the whole
Ghana has a demand. Yeah, the man
also not
MP constituency. MP. Okay. Honorable Samuel Ayepe, MP Ayensuano constituency. Ayensuano constituency for more MP Nesha White. There be a pondum so de ya kan o kan kra ni edum ne kan obi ni amasa namuel MP la de for propon o say you anim
silence make your success make the noise.
Okay.
So
president gas pipe project now what you say be pipe mu na ba what you say be
generator you do the work and allow your success to do the talking for you.
They are talking instead of doing the work in silence. So now there's no success.
Me ankasa me nua Penny pa Samuel Kwesipoku me brother Penny enra in birthday me chiano na me nua Kofi Boateng na bibi ba Boateng a odi kan na ma utirim kwa busa fo epeja mu o chenya me adme be san hye bi anu aboyapon o kwa cha